Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are reacting to how do animals sound in Dutch. Interesting. How do they sound in Dutch? I don't know. So let's get right into the video, guys, and find out, learn a few more things. Let's get it.
I would like you to try to guess how animals sound in Dutch.
I don't speak Dutch
Can you
anymore.
just say what you think it could be?
I can do some proposals.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cow. The cow. The cow. It's like the same thing, I think, yeah?
It's not
Wow.
moo, because that's English. Mau.
Mau.
Koe in Portuguese or koe in Dutch?
Yeah, that's a very strong difference.
Wait, why would cows sound different though?
Yeah,
That's the
Brazilian.
sound of
That's
koe
Brazilian
in
cool.
Dutch.
Don't all cows sound the same?
Boo.
Okay.
Scared. Boo.
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 Boo. Boo.
Boo.
The cows boo?
That's a ghost in Brazil.
There's a ghost in Brazil.
Okay. Han. The han.
Something like kikeriki.
I'm tempted to say kikiriki, but that's a Spanish thing. I can only say it in Russian. Kukurikoo!
Okay.
Cocorico,
I actually didn't know this, that like every country I guess has their own animal sound. That's interesting.
Cocorico is a chicken.
Oh yeah, because it's very
Cocorico.
different.
Cock-a-doodle-doo?
Is it like caw?
I knew these. Cacao. I don't know.
Kukuluku.
Kukulukoo. Oh, that's so nice.
Kukulukoo. Oh, that's very pretty.
Kukuluku.
Kuluku.
Eh?
Yeah, see? It's even closer to Cocorico.
Korokoro.
Kukulukoo.
Bro. Chicken, okay. They're kip.
Cook.
Bok. Bok, 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 bok.
Quack, 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 quack.
Walk.
Wow, that's a good one.
Tok, tok, tok.
Tuk, tuk, tuk.
Tok, tok, tok.
Talk.
Talk, talk, talk.
Talk.
Are you talking to me?
That's a new one. Dog. Hond, okay, the hond.
Wolf. Bark.
Woof, woof.
Here I heard something people say baba.
Ow, ow.
Wow. Ow.
Ow, ow.
Rof.
Yes, I quite like rough. Rough sounds reasonable.
Okay,
Bow?
these are weird.
Bow.
Bow?
No.
Woof.
I would just say woof, you know?
Woof. Woof.
Woof.
You got it.
Yeah.
Woof, woof. Waff. Well, could be. Could be. Yeah.
Oh, I thought I'd heard the Voff.
Woof. Of wolf. Yeah?
She's with the dog as well. I would go with meow for this one. Let's see what people have.
Meow.
Mew.
Mau.
Wow.
Puss, puss.
What?
Mouth. Mouth.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. That's very much like
Meow,
See, now these
okay.
are trick questions because that's what I wanted to say.
Just like in English.
But not spelled the same.
Meow.
No.
Meow, I think is universal.
This is the only one university, I think.
Parrot, alright.
Ark.
Hello.
Hoi.
Oh,
They can
parrots
say
talk
anything.
as well.
This is a trick question.
Yeah, exactly.
Depends how well trained it is.
I like. Hoi. All right to say it.
Do we have that in Portuguese?
Well, we speak like a papagaio in Brazil. Lara, don't get biscoito. Lara.
That's a good
So
one.
Dutch papagayo can say two things,
Ah.
of which one is lorre.
Really?
Lore?
Okay. So
Oh,
that's
like
the same.
loro.
Yeah, that's
Lore.
very interesting. Okay.
Lauren.
Lauren?
Laura.
Lorre.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Or koppiekrauw.
Oh, yeah, they stroke their feathers. Huh?
Like this?
Yeah. Koppiekrauw. Koppiekrauw.
Copycat.
Okay, I would never have guessed that.
No.
Kopikro.
It's cute. It's nice. I like this.
Pig. Varken. That's
Peppa Pig.
Something like this.
Oink, oink. No. Krok, krok.
Wow, these come up so weird.
So it's oink in English.
In
Oink.
Russian, it's khru, khru.
Kuru kuru?
Khrum, khrum.
Now, the Dutch varken says knor.
Knor.
Ah,
Can pigs even make that sound?
They can talk,
Gosh.
I didn't know that, that's great.
Knor,
Wow.
knor.
Knor?
Knor?
This is a brand.
Okay,
Knorretje is a small pig. That is why.
Oh, like knorretje. Knorretje.
Knor, like a snore.
Knor.
Knor. Okay, we got the duck here.
Kria, kria.
Uak.
Quack,
Quack.
quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
I agree with that guy.
Quack, quack, I think.
Quack, quack.
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 Quack. Quack.
Quack.
Oh,
Quack.
yeah, quack.
Could be quack, yeah.
Quack, quack. The frog.
The frogs make a noise?
Walk.
Like walk.
Clicker. Quack, 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 quack. Caca.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Yeah, it says rabbit.
The rabbit says frog, frog.
Well, because
She does good sound, I must say.
it's not an animal in Portuguese.
The kicker says quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack.
Okay, also the same language.
Also,
For this one, I heard ribbit. Ribbit. That's the sound I heard.
Quack,
That
quack.
frogs make.
The frog says the same thing as the duck? No, they can speak together. Quack.
Fish? What? No way.
Oh, I didn't think they spoke.
No way.
No sound.
Maybe. Maybe.
fish makes sound.
Blub.
Blub, blub. Yeah, they just do this. Gloop, gloop.
Yeah, if they're kind of dying.
Yeah,
we-
blurb.
Dutch, this says blub. Blub, blub.
Blub,
Blub, blub. Blub.
Blub. Blub.
Blub, blub.
Okay.
Blub, blub.
Blub, blub.
Blub, blub, blub.
Wow. Wow, man. That was interesting. We got some interesting sounds there from how people say sounds in Dutch. Okay. Very, very interesting. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on this in the comments below. If you've got any video suggestions, you know what to do. My Discord link community is in the description below, guys. Join that. It will be amazing for all of you to join. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.